Welcome to Video Marketing for Lead Generation and Sales, a step-by-step guide designed exclusively for crypto brokers. If you're looking to generate more leads, close more sales, and grow your crypto business, you're in the right place. Why video marketing? Video marketing isn't just a trend, it's a powerhouse for engagement and trust. With higher retention rates, better brand visibility, and stronger credibility, videos are the perfect tool to attract and convert prospects. Types of lead-generating videos. Explainer videos to highlight how your crypto brokerage works. Tutorials and webinars to educate and inform. Customer testimonials to build trust through social proof. And live Q&A sessions to engage directly with your audience. Planning your video marketing strategy. Start with your goal. Do you want to increase signups, drive traffic, or educate traders? Next, define your audience. Are they beginners, pro traders, or potential white label partners? Then, pick the right platform. YouTube for educational content, Instagram and Facebook for quick promotions, LinkedIn for B2B engagement, and TikTok or X for going viral. Creating high-converting videos. Start with a hook to grab attention. Keep it short for ads under 60 seconds and longer for tutorials. Always close with a strong call to action. Use high-quality visuals, clear audio, and include subtitles for accessibility. Don't forget to add your logo, color scheme, and tagline for brand recall. When uploading, optimize for SEO. Use keywords, hashtags, and eye-catching thumbnails. Promoting for maximum lead generation run. Targeted video ads on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Embed videos on your homepage and lead magnet pages with clear CTAs like "Start trading now" or "Get a free consultation." Boost your reach by embedding videos in emails and sharing across LinkedIn, Twitter, Telegram, and crypto forums. Tracking performance and optimizing for sales track metrics using YouTube Studio, Google Analytics, and Facebook Ads Manager. Measure what matters: views, engagement, CTR, and conversions. /B test your CTAs, video lengths, and formats. Retarget viewers with Facebook Pixel and Google Remarketing. Follow up with value-driven emails and exclusive offers. Video marketing can be a game changer for your crypto brokerage. Engage your audience, build trust, and boost conversions, one video at a time. Next steps: launch your first campaign, monitor performance, keep optimizing. Let's turn your crypto business into a lead-generating machine.